Look at this. Totally rusted, completely frozen, and seemingly ready for the trash. Normally, you drive down to the local hardware store and drop 20 bucks on a fancy brand name chemical rust remover. Stop doing that. You are throwing your hard-earned money away because this unassuming white powder right here is pure citric acid. It costs about $1 a gallon to mix up, it's entirely non-toxic, and it doesn't just clean rust, it literally dissolves iron oxide down to bare metal while you sleep. Today, I'm going to show you the perfect mix recipe, the incredible science of how it works, and the critical neutralization step you can't afford to skip. Let's get into it. The multi-trillion-dollar enemy. Before we drop these tools into the bath, we need to understand the true scale of what we are fighting against. Rust is not just an annoying cosmetic eyesore in your garage. It is a relentless chemical reaction with massive global consequences. It is the chemical process known as oxidation, where iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form iron oxide. Once rust starts, it creates a porous surface that traps additional moisture, accelerating the corrosion process even further. Rust is an invisible tax on global infrastructure that carries a staggering financial burden. According to landmark data from NACE International and updated economic models, the total annual cost of corrosion in the United States alone has skyrocketed past $2 trillion, accounting for approximately 6.2% of the nation's entire gross domestic product. Globally, this destructive chemical decay drains more than $2.5 trillion from the world economy every single year, surpassing the entire annual economic output of major nations like Italy or Canada. These massive expenditures are driven by the constant need to inspect, repair, and prematurely replace structural steel, municipal pipelines, and industrial machinery. By learning how to arrest this chemical process cheaply at home, you are actively opting out of a wasteful manufacturing life cycle that forces consumers to repeatedly discard salvageable metal goods, which ultimately contributes to a massive carbon footprint since replacing corroded steel accounts for nearly 4% to 9% of global carbon dioxide emissions. The science behind how citric acid melts rust. Watch closely. Within seconds of submersion, you will see thousands of microscopic bubbles migrating to the surface. This is not just magic, it's targeted organic chemistry at work. The magic behind this method lies entirely within organic chemistry, specifically a phenomenon known as chemical chelation, which occurs when a specific acid molecule binds to a metal ion. Citric acid possesses a highly stable molecular structure with a mild pH level hovering around 2.2, making it marginally stronger than household vinegar, but significantly gentler than destructive mineral acids. When you submerge rusted iron into this bath, the citric acid selectively targets the porous, loosely bound iron-3 oxide, Fe2O3 layer, without aggressively attacking the dense, healthy, unoxidized steel underneath. The acid molecules act like microscopic claws, wrapping around the iron ions to convert the solid, flaky rust into a completely water-soluble ferric citrate complex that effortlessly detaches from the surface. This creates a stark contrast to aggressive commercial products like muriatic or hydrochloric acids, which operate via brute force oxidation and will rapidly dissolve your base metal, strip away threading, and leave deep microscopic pits if left unattended for even a few minutes too long. By utilizing this targeted organic chelator, you achieve a pristine, chemically clean surface that returns the tool to its original bare metal tolerances without sacrificing its structural integrity or dimensional accuracy. Why are hardware store shelves packed with expensive rust remover formulas? It all comes down to corporate profit margins. When you purchase a brand name rust remover from a big box retail store, you are not paying for advanced chemical engineering. You are paying an astronomical markup on incredibly basic ingredients. Industry supply chain analyses reveal that commercial rust stripping fluids are frequently marked up by 500% to over 1,000% relative to the baseline cost of their active chemical components. A standard 1-gallon jug of specialized retail rust remover typically retails anywhere between $15 and $30, yet it often consists of a heavily diluted acid solution combined with cheap gelling agents, artificial colorants, and synthetic fragrances. In comparison, buying raw, food-grade citric acid powder in bulk costs less than $2 to $3 per pound, allows you to mix an identically potent, highly effective 1-gallon bath for roughly $1 total. This means every time you mix a batch at home, you are achieving a phenomenal return on investment while completely bypassing the unnecessary manufacturing, plastic packaging, and transportation cost associated with heavy liquid retail jugs. Steps to remove rust using citric acid. Creating this powerful rust removal solution is surprisingly simple. Start with a plastic bucket or container large enough to hold the parts you want to clean. Fill it with warm water because warmer temperatures increase the speed of chemical reactions. A common mixture used by restorers is approximately half a cup of citric acid powder per gallon of water. Stir thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. Before soaking any part, thoroughly clean away grease, dirt, oil, and road grime. The step is critical because oil can form a barrier that prevents the citric acid from reaching the rust. Once cleaned, fully submerge the part in the solution. Within a few hours, you will begin seeing the water change color. The solution often turns yellow, orange, or brown as dissolved rust enters the liquid. For lightly rusted parts, results may appear in as little as 1 to 3 hours, while moderate corrosion often requires overnight soaking. Severely rusted components may need 24 to 48 hours for complete treatment. During the soaking process, periodically inspect the part and gently brush away loosened rust using a nylon or brass brush. As the corrosion softens, you'll notice that large amounts of rust come off with very little effort. After soaking, rinse the part thoroughly with clean water and inspect the surface. Many people are amazed by how much clean metal can be recovered from parts that initially appeared beyond saving. The best car parts to clean with citric acid. Citric acid is especially effective on steel components that can be removed from the vehicle and soaked completely. Common examples include battery trays, suspension brackets, tow hooks, brake backing plates, jack components, steel fasteners, and exhaust mounting hardware. Many classic car restorers use citric acid to save original factory parts that would otherwise be replaced. In some cases, bolts that appear completely unusable emerge from the solution looking almost new. The method is also popular for restoring hand tools because it removes corrosion without excessive grinding or abrasion. Common mistakes that ruin results. One major mistake is using too little citric acid. Weak solutions work much more slowly and may struggle with heavy corrosion. Another mistake is placing greasy parts directly into the solution. Oil acts as a barrier and prevents the acid from reaching the rust. Some people leave parts soaking for several days unnecessarily. Longer is not always better. Once the rust is gone, extended soaking offers little benefit. Using metal containers is another common error. Plastic containers are usually safer and more effective. Finally, many DIYers forget the protective coating stage that allows fresh rust to start forming almost immediately. Understanding these common errors can significantly improve results and help ensure that your rust removal efforts provide long-lasting benefits. The critical step most people forget. Removing rust is only half the battle. Preventing it from returning is what truly matters. After rinsing the cleaned part, dry it immediately using compressed air, clean towels, or gentle heat. Even small amounts of moisture trapped in corners or bolt holes can restart the corrosion process. Once dry, apply a protective coating such as primer, paint, rust prevention spray, wax-based coating, or corrosion inhibitor. This step can add years to the lifespan of automotive components. So the next time you see rust spreading across your vehicle, don't assume you need expensive specialty chemicals to solve the problem. For around $1, citric acid can dissolve rust, clean threads, restore hardware, rescue battery trays, and bring old metal parts back from the dead. It's cheap, widely available, easy to use, and trusted by countless restoration enthusiasts around the world. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
And if you have ever tried citric acid rust removal, share your experience in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.